Damn, Obi.
Yeah, it's KnightsKennels and we're just having our way. We got pocket standards, micros, and all different flavors. Nothing but big dogs in the yard, they do not play. Like and subscribe, KnightsKennels, you gon' remember the name. KnightsKennels, 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 you gon' remember the name.
What up, KnightsKennels family? And I'm in the middle of a blizzard. Of course, I had to do my house duties first, but I'm about to let the dogs out so y'all can see how tall the snow is and actually how short the dogs are. And I did not have it on my face. And I'm gonna show you how short Okoye is. Millie loves the snow, but we got to see. She played in it for a little bit when it was, I would say, not so deep, but she had a blast. But now it's deep. I'm gonna give y'all a little look. That's the deepness of it. Whole yard is literally flooded. Like, look at it on the top of the trash can. Got a top hat. But anyways, this was all snow. Didn't have shovel it down, so let's knock that snow off. Let's get in here to the doggies. What it do? Not to clean this right now, but I'll be back to the next one. Anyways, got my girl Koye out. Y'all see Koye? What's up, Koye? Yo, that's John Wow. Come on, Mills, you love it out here. Let me get them all out and then I have a video, all right? So I got them out. Got my girl Kimora out. She found a little path I dug out. Look, told you Mills is amped up. Super amped. Y'all ain't even see my boy Tice. What up, Nash? How's it feeling, buddy? Oh, you pissing right now. How you like it, Tice? Look at Mills. Oh, Millie is crazy. They're all crazy. Look at Mills. Kimora don't play that. She really don't. She don't play. And they just be messing with her. And she just be ready to pipe their asses down. Yo, Amelie. Mills, if she get right with you, that's on you. But as y'all can see, I got him out in the blizzard. Get some bathroom time. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, Koye. Oh, Koye. Yo, Millie is a freaking acrobatic. Hope I'm saying that right. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. She loves it. Just staying in my little area I dug out. But literally just shovel that off. Let's back good up. Let me see if they'll run out in here with me. I'll go this way. Come on, y'all. Mills. Amelie. Yo, they're freaking out. She's so short. Yo, I'm sorry. This is funny to me. You okay, baby? Hey, don't eat your whole way out. Sorry, I gotta protect my doggy. All right, come on. It's time to go. All right, that's the little time I wanted to do. I don't want to have them out there too much because it's just way too cold for these guys. Mills had a blast, as y'all can see. Kimora, you good, baby? They had a blast. Tyson really don't fool with the snow, as y'all can see. Tyson, you don't like it? Okay, Kimora's getting, yeah, she getting mad with Amelie. Amelie playing too much. And she not fucking with her. Stop! Mills, leave her alone. Yeah, now she turned up. Hey! Gotta settle them down because it really be this one here. Mills! Anyway, sorry if my recording's bad because I'm trying to watch them and watch the thing. All right, let's go. But to the next scene, KnightsKennels. But we're in the middle of a freaking blizzard. And we're just having a good time. Just wanted to have my dogs some time to use the bathroom. And I just wanted to see them in the snow. Yes, my eyes are closed because the snow has just hit me like crazy. But yeah,
It's Kennels
to the next
family.
scene.
This the aftermath of the blizzard, man. For me and wifey shoveled. So that's why we good over here. But look how thick the snow is, man. It's crazy. The dogs loving it though. The dogs is loving it. Kamar out here. I got Neji out here too. Got him and his son out here. Got Koye out here. Her big body ass. Big back. Yeah, got the gang out, man. Mama Neza in the scene before, y'all seen Mama Neza had them out and about in the last vid or last scene, whatever, however we put it, however we do it. But yeah, she had them out and about. Check the dogs out, man. Check the dogs out. KnightsKennels. Miss Koi right there. Miss Millie right there. And we made a little pathway so they can use the bathroom and stuff, because y'all see all this snow over here and over there. And unfortunately, they can't go in this area right now, because look at that snow. I ain't even gonna do them like that. Let them use it over here. Hey, get your head out of there, man. Tyson, get your head out of there. Yeah, we got the gang out, KnightsKennels family, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Do what y'all do, man. Turn us up. Turn us up. Just because it's snowing don't mean the dogs. You mean gotta be in the cages. You feel me? Let them dogs out. Let them stretch their legs, man. Let your dogs stretch their legs. You feel me? What's doing, Mama? What you doing, Mama? What you doing, girl? What you doing, girl? Kamara, 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 Kamara. Look at her though, man. She bouncing back from that pregnancy. Looking good. Hey, stop, move, 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 move. But yeah, we got the two sons right there posted. Posted. KnightsKennels studs right there posted. You feel me? And we got the females right here doing what they do.